Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer substantially. It doesn't really make a difference, how fast or how slow it is, but proportionally to the type of computer that you have, I'm going to show you how to substantially make it move a lot quicker. Now, the number one reason why computers start to run slow is not necessarily because you have a virus. It's something called spyware. Now, spyware basically is these cookies, these tracking cookies that go into your browser, and they cause it to open up other pages and pop-ups. And what they do is they clog up your RAM. Your random access memory is the temporary memory that you use when your computer goes on, and that memory is gone when you turn it off. Now, what happens is these tracking cookies basically load throughout every browser that you open up, and as a result of that, them loading unintentionally eats up your memory. RAM, is what makes your computer run quickly and allow you to open up pages quickly. It makes things run efficiently and gives you a graphic user interface, which is what you see on your computer when you open up applications and everything else. So it really slows things down, especially the internet. So I'm going to show you how to make your computer run quicker. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to have an anti-spyware program. Now, the best program that I've ever sampled, and I've tried many of them, and I'm giving you information right now which took me months of painstaking process to find the number one spyware program. It's called Spybot. Now, I'm going to show you. It's simple. You just open up a browser, and what you do is you just type in Spybot into the search. It's a very popular, it's well-known anti-spyware program. It's the first result. This should be it right here. You just open this up, and you basically look at what they have. It's right here, Spybot Search and Destroy. You just click on that, and you just download it right here. This would be it. Either one of these places, you can download them from all these forums and whatever is recommended. It should be in the safernetworking.org. That's really their website. So any place here to download it would be fine. Just download it, click on one of these things here, and you're good to go. Just basically it should be right here. That's not it. They're basically always changing their website. Yeah, this is it right here. So that's it. You just save file and it's going to start downloading. So that's all you have to do. Once you start downloading it, it's going to create an icon on your desktop, which is right here, Spybot Search and Destroy. You just open it up, and they'll give you the latest version. So once you have the latest version, you'll be able to start running it. It's going to open up their program is right here. Now, the first thing, well, you don't have to update. See here it says search for updates, because you're going to have the latest version when you download it, so it's going to have all the updates already. You should do this once a week, like they recommend right here, to update it. Now, what you do is you're going to go right away to check for problems. Now, they're going to ask you if you want to get rid of temporary files. Say yes. That's a good thing. That's basically cookies and temp files. You get rid of them. Those slow down your RAM. So it's good, and after that's done, it's going to start to run right away. The scan is in progress, and in the lower screen right here, you see where my cursor is pointing to. You have here it's like 66,000 files that it's searching, and it's already done 880. This is going to take several minutes to do. Once it's done, so I already did mine, so after this is all done, it's going to be complete. And what happens is it's going to tell you how many files it found. See, well, I aborted it, but you're going to have a list of items over here which it found, and then it's going to ask you fix selected problems. This is going to be highlighted. You're going to click on that, and all the problems that it found. If your computer is very slow and you have a lot of spyware, it's going to find dialer things and all kinds of pop-up stuff and malicious spyware stuff. You're going to see a lot of results, maybe 30, 40, or 50 results if it's really bad. And then it's going to say fix selected problems. You click on that, and then it's going to start checking them all off. It's going to start removing one after the other. Now after that, there's another button. When it's finished doing that, you hit immunize. Now you see over here it says what's protected and what's unprotected. So it's protecting. See, it already just protected over, and this it just did, over 129,000 files. So what you do is, if there's more unprotected, you click this button a second time and you'll see it'll start doing more. So far I have 18,250 that are unprotected. So it's gonna run this thing. This is gonna go across, and you're gonna see that all these will be gone. If there's maybe a few left, don't really worry about it. It's basically going to be all cleaned out. As you can see, this is important because it goes into your browsers. I actually have three browsers. I don't use Opera, but the primary one I use is Firefox, and then there's Internet Explorer, which I hardly use. But see, it's starting to clean them out. It's really down to 16,000. So it's immunizing. Basically prevents you from getting these cookies and all this pop-ups, installations, and images, and all these other things that you don't want to get into your browser, and it's going to start blocking them. So this is what you have to do. After this is done, it's just going to say immunized, and you're going to see the status bar is going to be all the way to the right, and that's really all you have to know. Once this is done, you're going to notice that your computer is going to be running a lot faster. I mean, and the best thing about this program, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So you can donate something. It will be a good idea. I mean, these guys deserve it. They did a great job. This is a great piece of this is a great program, great piece of software that they wrote. So there you have it. How to make your computer run faster. If you like what you saw here, please subscribe and rate this video, and please leave comments below the video, and thanks for tuning in.